So I guess this is happening. I guess I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. My name's Austin, and most of you probably know me as Austin_WRX. My car is a little different. It's a good word for it. Or gay, either one. Doesn't make a difference, the same shit. We're gonna see how this goes. Yeah. So this whole thing started with I really didn't have any more pictures to put on Instagram of my car, which is what my channel, or I shouldn't say my channel, my Instagram page is mostly about. So let's try and get some stuff on YouTube. Here is the shit that most people want to know about. The motor in the car. It is not stock anymore. This is the stock block. Pistons are right here. And the crankshaft's down here, but I don't want to pick it up. Shit's burnt pretty bad. It's really blue. Oh, this cord's fucking annoying. Oh, I have a charger up here. So yeah, this channel is pretty much gonna be about everything. Who the fuck is this? Sorry about that. I forgot what I was saying completely. This is stock motor. It's kind of beat. It took a lot of abuse. Made 453 wheel on the E66. Car's flex fuel car, obviously, if it's running on E. Yeah, but this channel is not just going to be about the car, because that gets kind of old. It's going to be about projects we do around the house. I don't really know if Amy is going to want to be in any of these videos, because she's kind of weird. But, yeah, maybe have some work stuff. I don't know if I can get in trouble for doing work stuff on camera. We do a lot of stuff for like state funded, federal funded, mumbo jumbo. What I do is gonna have to be like a completely other video. I work on trucks, medium heavy duty trucks essentially, and equipment, excavators, bulldozers, tractors, stuff like that. But yeah, so this is really gonna be it. Most of the videos are probably gonna be filmed down here for a little while on my GoPro, which is what you're on. Just because it's easier. I have a camera. I don't know how to use it. I can't turn it on. I think it got wet. But regardless. So yeah, I'll show you the basement, which is my shop, for the most part. Yeah. Toolbox. I'm looking at my phone because you're on my phone too. So toolbox, I built this shelf thing for little like screws and whatnot. These are empty, but yeah. Most of you, if you follow me on Instagram, know that I do a lot more than just the car stuff. Like this. Right. I ride motorcycles. I ice skate. Not very well, but I do it. My motorcycle boots. I used to play rugby. I play paintball. I just really got back into paintballing, like pretty heavily. This is pretty much my basement. Excuse the disaster, but we got to get it organized here. I ride BMX. That's a Verde Theory from like 2000 and 8 or some shit. Just getting into like woodworking and whatnot. So got myself, the basics: table saw, miter saw, dual compound miter saw, bunch of just regular shit. I might do a toolbox walkthrough thingy at some point. Yeah. What else I got down here? This is just crap. This is my wood pile for all the scraps and stuff. I need to make a wood rack. There's the wing that was on my car. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll go over there. The thing was dual element. I think it's 68 inches or something like that. I built this table that I got some work space on. That's my battery charging station, something like that. Oh, here's a better look at the bike, I guess. I just hung it from the rafters. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. I don't obviously the most important part, right? The garage, his and hers. As you may know, my girlfriend has the WRX also. This is hers over here. It's nice. This is mine. If you don't follow me, follow me. I run only the best for her. Ignite E85. We have a lot of wheels and tires. There's another whole set back here. I got diffusers on diffusers on diffusers. I'm thinking about getting quick jacks because I'm tired of jacking up the car every time I want to fucking work on it. So, yeah, but, oh, are these full? Empty. Empty. Cool. Alright, well, that says a lot. Turn this light off. So that's it, man. Ladies, gents, whatever. We'll see what happens.